This is feedback for Shahad on WR1 Week 3 practice essay. First of all, I think you have some really good ideas here in your essay. I like your hook that you have. I think it's a really good, interesting hook. But there are some changes that you need to make. First of all, format and heading. You have no header heading here. You have no title. You have, just because of that alone, it probably is going to make you fail. So make sure that you get that heading and everything correct on here. Okay. Also, thesis. I don't see a thesis here at the end of the first intro paragraph. Driver speed racing, avoid license. So this intro started off really well, but then you go, there are so many causes. Let's look at the effects. First, start with the causes. So your essay has a problem that you're trying to write causes and effects in this essay, and you need to just do one. So 2 causes or 2 effects. The intro can be the opposite. So if you want to talk about, some effects, so if you want to take some of these effects that you have, put it in your intro, talk about that, but then you need to have clear topic thesis at the end of the intro saying something like, the major 2 causes of car accidents in Kuwait are holding a cell phone and, driving driving at high speeds, something like that. And so this paragraph would be about one of those things, and then the second body paragraph would be about the others. Also, you need to have a concluding sentence here in the conclusion. It needs to reverse the thesis. So whatever you write for your thesis, you need to write it backwards for here, right? And then you go into your advice and give prediction as well. So make those changes, upload into WR1 Week 4 practice essay.